Hello, I'm Anita Matthew Valikapan. We live in Goa. We have been doing integrated farming in Salem village, Bicholim, Goa. The initial idea when we started this farm, it was the prawn farming, which was our dream, but it was a big failure. All this initial when we started this, we got the seeds, the piglings, and everything from ICR, and as always, we know that farmers have to face a lot of challenges, climatic, be it climatic or disease, whatever. So we have been always the ICR scientists, sir, all of them have been really supportive. We could call them at any time; they would answer or give their feedback or guidance. Now we successfully do the piggery, the fish, Chonak Basa, and the fruits, and hand cow also we have. We collect the waste from the hotels, and this hotel waste in a month around 100 ton of waste has been collected from around the restaurants by taking money from the restaurant owners, because even they find it so difficult to dispose the waste. So we collect the waste and then around 100 tons, and the pig waste which is come, that is mixed in our ponds, create the algae, and this algae is consumed by the fish tilapia. So we mainly breed tilapias in a pond because we grow chonak, that is sea bass, which is highly consumed and the favorite fish of Goan people. So the chonak always needs the live feed. If you go to put them the feed, they will not consume it. They always have to hunt and eat. So these tilapias breed really faster, so that once the tilapia breeds in a pond, the tilapia eats, the chonak eats this tilapia, and the waste which is collected from everywhere, all these livestock, it has been given to a fertilizer for our fruits and vegetation. So the main source of energy is basically the waste. So we do yearly harvest of the fish, and average rate for chonak will be like in a year, if you go to see, it will be 15 lakhs of rupees. And so we have what we do is every month we have around 30 pigs which we sell to the hotels. The average weight which we give is like 110 to 120 per pig, which attains that weight in a years of time. We have around 200 local hens which lay around 100 eggs per day. So here the rate which we get is 10 rupees per egg. So that is also like 30,000 per month. And the pineapple which we get from here, that is like 3 to 4 lakhs per year. We have goats, only 2 goats which we got from KVK. We have papaya trees, plants, almost around 400 plants we have of red lady. So in an average on a tree we'll get around 70 kg of fruit, and per kg 20 rupees we sell it in the market per kg. We have kept the nominal fees so that visitors, they can come and see our farm, and what I suggest is they themselves should also start or get into agriculture. We had begged like Krishi Vibhushan last year by so much of effort and everything. It feels really good. I would also like to thank the ICR, Animal Husbandry Fisheries Department, for being in major support for us in all the times, technical help and everything, financial. Thank you.